Alright, hi guys. So this is my Longqi here, and it's their body wave. I'm just detangling it, and I'm actually going to be putting in some layers. And this is just a snippet of what I'll be doing. So as you can see, that part is a bit curled already, and I'm just taking the scissors, grabbing some chunks, and I'm just layering on an angle. This is how I learned back in the day how to layer hair. So that's what I'm actually doing. So I'm just holding it at an angle, as you can see. I'm just layering by just going down and down and down and down and down. And that's basically what I did for all the hair. And I curl to see where the curls will actually fall. And then I layer from where the hair kind of bent. I layer from that area so I could have nice waves to frame my face. So only just to frame my face, only that's all I did. I didn't cut the rest of the hair. Now, as you will see in this video, I struggle in actually curling the hair. I don't know where to turn the flat iron, but yeah, so this is basically what I did. So enjoy the rest of the video. I'm a little bit stuffy, but this is my Longqi hair, my body wave, and as you guys saw, I actually cut it into layers. So I'm going to attempt to curl it, but I'm just going to put some nice waves in it, not really curl. For my flat iron, I'm actually going to be using my vanity pandit flat iron. I'm so not doing well. I've been wanting to film for days, you guys, like days, and I've just been unable to because of how I'm feeling. So this is actually a closure, not a frontal, and I must say, like, working with frontals again, it was kind of weird. It's not a want, it's not a curl. Oh, I should have cut high one so I could have that thing. See, this is the kind of curl that I want. Okay, good. So this is the body wave from Longqi here. I just layered the front and not the back. Yeah, I've been working with Longqi. Longqi has always done me right. And as you guys, I spoke about the closures and the frontals for body wave hairs already, so you guys know how I feel about that. So this is why I chose to do this with this particular style. As you saw in the first video that I did with the hair, it just has like a little bit of a wave. So this is one side, nice and waved up. So let's do the other side. Now the other side is where I'm going to struggle. how I cut the layers. I use the closure as a marker, but then it's just the bend. I don't know if I'm going to be turning the flat iron the correct way, you know. So let's see. It's not going this way, it's going, okay, so let's try going this way. That curl is tight. Trying to do. So I have that, and I will let you guys know what did I do a while ago. Oh, I went like this. Oh wait, let's see if I can do it this way. This is so weird. I haven't done my hair in this style in years. You guys have to understand, like years. So doing it this way is so new for me. Alright, so I'm not going to put too much waves in the hair. I'm literally looking on the floor because I don't want to ruin it. I was thinking, because I mean, I have a lot of friends who are hairdressers, and I said, oh, I could just ask Natalia or Trisha or somebody to curl it for me. But I wanted to show you guys how I curl it. Damn it. I don't want to do this. This is about to be me. It's supposed to be about me. Okay, that was a good one. Do I have shorter pieces like that? That was a good one. Let me see if I can split and then yes. Alright, this is what we have. So here's a little bit flat because as you can tell I'm focusing on this cut part here, but this is it. It is like 7 minutes long and it's not even like, you know, like clean or whatever. So I like when my foot was flat up here. I have worked with Longqi before. Amazing company, amazing customer service, amazing bundles. But I will say if you want your curls to be tight, I would say get like a get like a deep wave hair. Like the deep wave hair would work better for you guys. I'm completely under the weather. Longqi here, thank you so much for sending me this to review. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I'll have all the discount codes for Longqi in the description bar below. It is good hair, 20 inches, and oh gosh, I want this to look like this up here. Yeah, see, like that. See, oh, this is the hairstyles I lived by back in the day, and you know what, I'm gonna go back to them. I'm gonna go back to them because I haven't even, that is for curl down here, I haven't even gotten anything from, you know, like I haven't requested anything from Vanity Planet, like a curler or anything. I've given away my curlers as well because I just haven't been using them that much. I mean, I love it. Ooh. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. It's been 9 minutes. I have to edit all this down.